Howdy, Possum Patty here and little TT too. And today we have an unboxing for you. A new company has reached out to us, and that is One Day Saving. And they have all sorts of choices for diamond painting and cross stitching and a few other crafts. So let's go over and check out their website first and then get to the unboxing. This is the home page for One Day Saving, and as you can see, they are advertising some sales at the top of the page. Over $69, you get 3 free gifts right now. We have some holiday themes right here. Love that Santa Claus with all the little critters. They have some special kits under $4 for diamond painting. Oh, look at the little owls and hummingbirds. They have several Christmas collections. And there's the Queen. New arrivals for the holidays. Oh, look, there's a notebook. Creative A5 notebook, ornaments, kids craft gift. Oh, I like that. Okay, here's do-it-yourself diamond craft collections. You can do diamond painting, crafting, and all different kinds of objects. I didn't know that. And they have tools, and then best-selling collections. Diamond painting collections. All right, let's go back up to the top for a moment. I'm going to scroll. Don't get dizzy, because I want to show you that across the top there are links to different sections. The new arrivals, the under $4, the diamond painting. As you can see, they have the round, the square drill, special shape, and crystal rhinestone. Special kits, I guess these are the most popular ones. They have cross stitching. And as you can see over here, they have all different series in cross stitching. Let me get back up to the top again. Crafts, handcrafts and tools. So you have the tools that you need for your diamond painting and your cross stitch and other crafts for diamond painting. Some best-selling items and more links over here. They do custom photo for diamond painting, cross stitching, and paint by number. Oh, look at that. They have puzzles too. Oh, that's interesting. Wow, they're really pretty ones too. So as you can see, there's quite a variety on this website, no matter if you're into diamond painting, cross stitching, or other crafts. You have lots and lots to choose from. So now let's go over to the table and see what I've got. This is my package from One Day Saving, and I got 2 items to review. Let's look at them one at a time. And I am going to take this out of the packaging so you don't have to deal with that glare. And the first item is a little bunny keychain. Oh, here it is on the back. All right, let me dump everything out. That works for me. Isn't she sweet? I was born in the year of the rabbit, and so I had to get this. She's so adorable, and I'm not really sure how to do this. Something new for 2022 for me. It's called Pearl Embroidery. And oh, this is the number symbols of where you're supposed to put the colors. So they give you that graph, and here are the number and the symbols for the different colors, I guess. It comes with instructions on how to do it. Schematic diagram of stitching steps. So I'll have to read this carefully because this is not something I've done before. but I believe this is kind of like a combination of cross stitching, but you add the little beads. So everything should be in this little kit. There is threads, there are crystal beads, which are very pretty, and a little, the metal ring that goes on the top. And there's 2 of them, I guess because you've got to put them together, right? And then the metal ring goes on there. I'll have to read those instructions. Or if I don't want to put the metal ring on there, I could put these in my little slow stitch book, because I think that would be cute too. But I think she's adorable. And it's all beaded. It's cross-stitched and beaded, or embroidered and beaded. I'm not really sure. Something new. Something new. I will carefully read these instructions and get back to you on how this comes out. Oh, I guess if you want to put it together, they give you the polyfill here. Give you lots of polyfill to make her nice and soft. Aw. I guess if you don't want to put the keychain on there, you could just make a little soft bunny. All that works for me. Okay, I'm going to put these things back in the bag. Again, I will link the code to this below. And this was, let's see, the keychain was $4.29. $4.29, and you get the schematics, instructions, canvas, polyfill, thread, keychain holder, and beads. Okay, my second item is, and I think this is the big one, yes. Look at this. And this comes in a Ziploc bag. How nice. Look at that, how it's packaged. And it is a notebook. Beautiful. Sort of like a leather cover, or it could be faux leather. It's like a leather cover. Beautiful paper. It's like a parchment off-white paper. And on the cover is diamond painting. And that's why it's got this plastic on there. I have to look up here, make sure it's not glaring. And it is this beautiful, beautiful owl. And this is a special shape diamond painting. As you can see, we've got all these teardrop shapes in here. Large ones and smaller ones. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous, 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 gorgeous owl? Look at those eyes. And this is all special shapes, and I have never done this either. Something new for 2022. Sharon over at Connections of Lives and Interests 2020 is going to be so proud of me for trying this. I've been watching her videos for diamond painting and learning how to do this. But there's the wax, the tray, and the little stylus, the tool to pick them up with and put them down. And this is the package of gems. And I guess they are called drills. I tried to look up to see why they are called drills. Why are the diamonds called drills? Well, I haven't found an answer to that yet. It's just that they call the diamonds. Look, this has got a little shadow around it, so it sort of looks like the owl is three-dimensional on the cover of the notebook. And here are all the drills, but they're special shapes. And look at these. These are like extra shiny drills. They're almost like those Aurora Borealis ones. Green sparkles. Oh, look at this turquoise. This is going to be gorgeous. Crystals. These look like little diamonds here, don't they? Gold. And look at these. These are the special shapes. And this one is like a purple. But they're like iridescent. They're like iridescent. These purple ones. And there's a bunch of like champagne colored seeds. They look like seeds, don't they? And some very pearlescent pearls. I don't know if this is coming across, but these look like actual pearl finishes on these. So look at these gorgeous colors and shapes. And the, whoops, I'm sorry, stuck to that. So you get all your beads. Now this isn't the kind where you have the square drills and they're all interlocked together and it covers the complete thing. Now these are the round and special shape drills. So you will see some of the background, but that's okay because it's colored in. So it's not like it's going to be completely covered with the drills. You're going to be able to see some of the colors in the background. And it's just got these gorgeous special shapes on everything. So this is going to be a fun project for me, and I will diamond paint along with Sharon at Connections of Lives and Interest. She does a diamond paint along. So this will get me into that club, the Diamond Painting Club. But I just had to get this because, you know, I'm a journaler, and here was this notebook, like leather notebook with owls. You know I love my owls. It's got beautiful pages inside. Now I can journal in here or I can sketch in here. They're thin pages. I can glue several together if I want them to be a little sturdier, you know, like we do with our composition notebooks. And just turn this into a smash journal. Do some nature journaling in here maybe. All right, so those are my products. I've got my owl notebook. I've got my little bunny keychain. And aren't these are gorgeous. I love these. So if you're interested, they had other notebooks too. So if you're a journal person and not really a diamond painting person, but, you know, love to do fun, interesting covers on your journals, go check them out because they had several different designs on these journals. And here you go. You get to make your cover and have your journal too. And this is why I was very excited about doing this company. And then if you're into slow stitching or cross stitching or embroidery, there are several different kits that you can, you know, experiment with, learn something new also. So thanks for coming along, and please check out the links and codes below. Bye-bye.